Parmigiani Fleurier Toric Petite Seconde watch. Main features are case diameter 40.6 m, case thickness 8.8 m, ultra-thin profile. Case options 18-karat rose gold or 950 platinum. Dial material solid 18-karat gold base. Movement in-house caliber PF 780. Manual wind, power reserve, 60 hours via twin mainspring barrels. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 atm. The dial is crafted from solid gold and textured using a historical technique. Artisans apply a mixture of cream of tartar, sea salt, and silver compound before brushing it by hand. This creates a soft, matty mineral plaster appearance that dynamically absorbs glare and scatters light. Solid gold construction. Unlike typical brass setups, the structural main plates and large open-worked bridges are forged completely from solid 18-seat rose gold. Geometric finishing, decorated with alternating hand-executed CTs de Fleurier and sandblasted matte surfaces. Steel contrast. The twin barrels and the high-beat 4HZ regulating organ are secured under mirror-polished, skeletonized steel bridges for premium visual depth. Rose gold done. Features an 18 CD rose gold case matched to a sand-colored dial and sand gold alligator strap. Platinum gray celadon. Features a 950 platinum case paired with a muted seafoam celadon green dial. Platinum golden hour, encased in 950 platinum and displays a vibrant salmon/golden hour hued dial paired with an Akoya gray strap. Retail price is $55,900 USD. Parmigiani Fleurier Toric Petite Seconde is a ultra-premium, manually wound dress watch that redefines modern horological elegance. Geometric visual depth. The movement surfaces feature alternating sand-blasted matte panels and hand-cut CTs de Fleurier stripes. These gold structures contrast sharply with mirror-polished, skeletonized steel balance bridges.